Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to test a brass float to make sure it doesn't have any leaks. First of all, I have heated up a pot of hot water. I have this old fondue pot that I've picked up at Goodwill or someplace, and it just works great for testing floats. This is the way I test all my brass floats before I put them in the carburetor. Anyhow, I got the pot of water nice and hot, and I have a float here that I know leaks, just to show you the difference. And what happens when you put this in the hot water, as the air inside the float heats up, of course it tries to expand, and it will blow air through any hole, I don't care how small it is, and you'll see bubbles. The smaller the holes, the smaller the bubbles, but anyway, you'll see bubbles. Sometimes it'll shoot air out pretty good, but this should show you, hopefully you can see all the bubbles coming out of that thing while it's heating up. So it's pretty apparent this thing has a problem. Now let's try, I don't know if these chokes are good, or excuse me, floats are good or not, but that's why we're here, is to test them. And I'll put this one in, and I carefully inspect it. I don't see any bubbles coming out anywhere. And you don't have to leave it in for very long. So that one looks okay. I'm going to try this other one. Now these floats are out of a WA1 carburetor. They use the same float in the W1 carburetor also. They don't make these floats anymore. So unless you can find an NOS somewhere, which are getting awful hard to find, you have to use the used choke, or excuse me, float. For some reason I want to call floats chokes all the time. Anyhow, this one looks good too. I don't see any bubbles. And that's basically all there is to it for testing a brass float. The other thing you can do is shake it